Welcome to Math Tricks That Stick. Today, zombies. More specifically, a math riddle that my Algebra 1 teacher gave us on the first day of class. And today, I'm going to share this riddle with you. So, let's get into it. This scenario contains 4 people: a professor, a janitor, the scientist assistant, and you, the scientist. Long story short, your experiments have led to a zombie outbreak. Now you, your assistant, the janitor, and the professor come to a rope bridge that you must cross. When the zombies try and follow you across the bridge will break under their weight, resulting in the zombies' death. The trick is, only 2 of you can cross the bridge at a time without it breaking. Your professor, who's very smart, also knows that it will take 17 minutes before the zombies will reach your location. You must make it all the way across the bridge before this happens to survive. The professor is old and slow, and therefore it takes him 10 minutes to cross the bridge. The janitor is not quite as slow, but it still takes her 5 minutes to cross the bridge. Your assistant can cross the bridge in 2 minutes, and you, being the athletic, smart, and non-consonant letter that you are, can cross the bridge in only 1 minute. Also, there's a flashlight that you must have in order to cross the bridge. Can you solve it? Well, you're gonna have to, because otherwise you will get eaten by zombies. So, let's try this out. Let's try something random. Let's say the janitor and your assistant take the flashlight across the bridge. That's 5 minutes. Now, your assistant comes back with the flashlight. That's 7 minutes. Now, you and the professor go back across. 17 minutes. But by that time, the zombies come and reach your assistant. Let's try again. What if we overlap the 2 longest times? Both the janitor and the professor would go across, and it would only take 10 minutes. Then, the janitor would come back across, 15 minutes. When the janitor goes back, whether she would be with you or your assistant, the zombies would still come and destroy all 3 of you, leaving the professor all alone. Is this even possible? Yes, it is. Let's try this again. Let's think about this logically. Since you take the least amount of time to cross the bridge, what if you took every person across and came back every time? That seems like the quickest solution. Let's say you take your assistant across first. That's 2 minutes. Then you come back. 3 minutes. Then you take the janitor across. 8 minutes. Then you come back. 9 minutes. Then you take the professor across. And wait. In order to get all the way across, you would need 19 minutes. You would be 4/5 of the way across the bridge when the zombies would arrive, trampling onto the bridge, destroying the bridge, leading themselves, the professor, and you all to their deaths. Have you given up yet? Don't. We're getting close. Let's think once more. If we overlap both the professor and the janitor, that only takes 10 minutes. But if we do that, we can't allow the janitor to come back across. If only they could get the flashlight across from one side to the other without it taking too long. If only we had someone who could get the flashlight across in an efficient manner. Wait, we might have it. Let's say you and your assistant go across first, 2 minutes. Then you go back, 3 minutes. Then the janitor and professor go across together, which will result in a total of 13 minutes. Now, if they hand the flashlight off to the assistant can come back with it. That'll be 15 minutes. Finally, you and your assistant come back across, making it across the bridge just as 17 minutes strike, just before the zombies come, try and follow you, and topple into the chasm. Yes, we figured it out. So will it actually work? In theory. But by the time you would actually figure all of this out as a group, you likely wouldn't have enough time to actually accomplish it. Therefore, you would all get eaten by zombies. So, if this ever happens to you, you'll already be prepared. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Plus signing off for now. Get it? Plus sign?